DNA. It's recognized that belongs to him. And those are the cells that they are not touched by the immune system, which the immune system is primarily killer cells that are going around. And if they see something that's not different, that is not the same from the same, they attack. And this is what keeps our personality, I would say, keeps our existence. For some reason, it increases the quality and the quantity of the immune of the effect. Matter penetrates into matter. The medication penetrates in the cell.
I'm sorry. Do we reduce the intake or we increase the intake? Increase the intake?
You will get it.
Okay, let me make it clear. With a small amount, you are going to have a bigger effect. However, you are going to consume it. If you need it daily to keep you alive, you are going to waste it. You are going to use it up. You are going to use it up very quickly. Whatever you take, you are going to use it up very quickly. Now, if it's a special medication, you take sleeping tablets, say, and you take on your head, you will sleep more. Okay?
Yeah, my question kind of relates to this. It was about electroporation. Can that be a danger when, because I know some electrode devices, even though this is magnetic, if you take coffee, you can increase the effects of the coffee, or you drink.
Yeah,
you do this
it's called chemical electroinsertion. I incorporated the word electroporation in 1993. Came out for the first time. Electro means with pulses, just what I'm telling you, to open up the porosis. That's what I mentioned to you. And for electroporation, they mean actually to open more holes here, to open new holes. That's what is called the term electroporation. However, I believe that with smaller fields we have, and this requires about 1,000 per centimeter. 1,000 per centimeter. And this distance, it requires 1,000 volts, and then you have a long distance. You need to add to several thousands of volts. Papim is just below that. And the evidence we have is that we don't see new porosis being created. I would say more accurately it creates electroinsertion. What I described to you is electroinsertion, which is inserting materials through the existing porosis and not inserting materials by creating new porosis. Electroporation is inserting materials by creating new porosis.
Just for my clarification, what you're saying is that the teaming machine just makes metabolism more possible by insertion. It just makes it kind of
Yes. It increases metabolism. It's like opening up your carburetor in your car, where you have to fill up more your tank. Okay, it's not only to open up the carburetor, but you have to put your hand into your pocket, take out more money to spend on gasoline. Okay, so you remember, you have to spend more money on food.
So, if you had a problem absorbing vitamins before, and you do the Papini, will that help with the absorption? Right?
Yeah, the consumption.
Because it's part of the metabolism.
It's part of the metabolism. Now, if you have excess vitamins B, I don't think it would be a problem. If you have a shortage, the shortage will increase. The shortage will increase, naturally. Yes.
Someplace in the notes you talked about the transmutation of oxygen.
And this is transmutation. This is a nuclear transmutation. Classical physics do not allow medical doctors to talk about this. I'm a physicist, I'm revolving, I say yes, this does occur.
So do you believe that there is, I thought with my understanding that there's not necessarily the cause with the sodium going through it, but the transmutation of oxygen from one area to this, which would connect with the sodium inside the cell and convert it to potassium. that
This
correct?
is vital, yes, this is it.
Right. Do you have any idea how many
I would like to say